Coastal Electric Cooperative was founded by neighbors. They worked together to bring power to coastal Georgia. 67 years later, the co-op is still neighbors serving neighbors. Every day, our mission is to keep the power on. We do it with integrity, innovation, accountability, and commitment to community. These are our core values. You want power to be there when you need it. One way we keep the power on is catching outages waiting to happen. Every week, a two-man team inspects a section of the co-op's lines.
If we find a part that's worn out, we basically repair it right there on the spot so that consumer wouldn't go out of lights.
Maintaining our lines is only one part of our job. We also invest in our infrastructure to ensure reliability for members today and tomorrow.
To get power from where it's produced to where our members actually use it, we rely on a network of power lines. These power lines do for electricity what roads do for cars and what pipes do for water. When traffic flow increases on roadways, roads are often widened or new ones are built in their place to help handle the additional traffic flows. When power flows increase, we similarly have to upgrade our distribution lines or build new ones to handle the additional power flow. The construction you see behind me is one such project. When it's complete, it'll provide a new path for electricity that's capable of serving several thousand new homes and businesses.
As the demand for energy in a community grows, we create new routes, and if needed, we build more substations. Coastal Electric uses technology to work smarter. Meter readers today get service orders to install a meter or disconnect a service from laptops in their trucks. The software schedules the service orders in sequence with their daily meter reading schedule. This software links the laptops with our office computers. This means dispatchers have up-to-the-minute information on which service orders are completed and which are still to be done. Soon, our linemen will have laptops too. Their laptops will be loaded with detailed digital maps of our electric network. To create these maps, we're building an electronic mapping database called GIS.
The easiest way to explain it is, you've got the little GPS modules in your car that points to you where you're going, where you're at, and how fast you're going. Well, it's kind of like that for our network. We've got poles and we need to know where they're at and what's going to them, such as current draw, basically loads on houses, and how the power gets there and what could potentially stop the power from getting there.
Coastal Electric staff are inventorying every pole, fuse, and transformer in the co-op system.
Dave is actually back here inventorying the pole with his little GPS handheld. It's a mini PC with a data collector on it. This little antenna right here tells us where we're at in the world.
When the inventory is done, Coastal Electric will have an electronic map system and database that with a few keystrokes will tell co-op staff which specific items are on each and every pole. This valuable data can make meter reading routes more efficient, assist when planning system improvements, and especially managing outages. Coastal Electric is investing in green energy. We are a part of Green Power EMC, a group dedicated to providing consumers with renewable energy. Today, because of Green Power EMC, a solar energy panel system at Richmond Hill High School is using the sun's rays to generate electricity.
Today, Richmond Hill High School unveiled their new solar panel system with the help of 1st District Congressman Jack Kingston. The panel converts energy from the sun into electricity, and it will be able to provide information such as the temperature throughout the process. It'll also serve as a learning tool for the students.
It gives them actual on-hands learning experience to the degree that they can say, how do the lights get turned on in my school? And they can go outside and see the solar panel.
It's a 1,200-watt pilot project to teach lessons about the power of solar. We're tracking its production, and you can too. Just visit www.coastalelectric.coop. As a member of the Cooperative, you get a savings discount card. Your Co-op Connections card is good wherever you see the Co-op Connections card sticker. Show it and you'll save money at local businesses. You can save on haircuts, dining, pest control, locksmiths, videos, and much more. You can save at more than 120 local businesses. Plus, you can save with more than 30 national businesses too. Even better, the card can save you 10 to 60% off prescription drugs. The card is accepted at over 48,000 independent and pharmacy chain stores. Your Co-op Connections card is free.
Hi, Miss Maxwell. How are you today?
Coastal Electric Cooperative listens to its members. We use frequent satisfaction surveys to find out how well we're doing. Our score on the American Customer Satisfaction Index, the voice of the consumer, puts us 10 points above the utility industry average and in good company with firms such as Federal Express. The surveys are more than numbers. They are tools that help us understand and meet our members' needs. Because of survey results, we are focusing more resources on our right-of-way maintenance. We're zeroing in on areas where overgrown vegetation has been causing frequent blinks and power outages. Effective management of our rights-of-way is important to keeping the power on. Coastal Electric Cooperative is a community partner. A long-standing tradition is our Washington Youth Tour. It's a week-long leadership experience for teens in our nation's capital. The tour is the opportunity of a lifetime.
And this trip, it opens up so many things to you. Like you see DC, how the government's run, and just things, opens up a whole new world to you. I promise it does.
I'd like to start off with, it's an awesome experience.
5 years ago, we started another program so that teachers could put their bright ideas to work.
So I wrote this grant so that my kids could have, it'll be a wireless system that will allow my voice to be projected throughout the classroom.
Teachers use Bright Ideas grants to encourage children to read, boost math skills, and make science fun.
The audio enhancement system has opened my classroom up to a better way of learning. The students are more engaged, focused, and on task. Thank you, Coastal Electric, so much for the grant money. My students now have a front row seat for their education.
Bright Ideas is powered by the members who contribute to Operation Roundup. Each month, the power bills of these members are rounded up to the nearest whole dollar. The small change adds up to a big difference. Coastal Electric Cooperative, your Touchstone Energy partner, is proud to serve you.
Good morning. What can we do for you?
We're doing everything in our power to brighten the lives of our members and community. With Coastal Electric Cooperative, the people have the power.
And we shine as one. Our power forever will be together.